back to my English channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to pronounce the days of the week in English correctly. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, don't let more. Let's go to practice the days of the week. Monday. Here we have actually U sound. Monday. Then we have Tuesday. Not 2 just say Tuesday. Wednesday, not Wednesday, just we say Wednesday. In this word, D or D, completely silent here. Wednesday. Thursday in British pronunciation R is silent and put your tongue in between your teeth to make the sound Thursday. The next one we have Friday. Next, Saturday also R is silent, and we have Sunday. Okay, you can say with me: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.